Here's how to join the Steal a Brainrot Discord server. So open the Roblox website, go to roblox.com, log into your account, and here search for Steal a Brainrot in Roblox. Now, once you're in this official page, you need to scroll down. And here under the social links, you'll get the option of Discord, join our community. Go ahead and select it. Now, this will open a new tab and open the Discord application. Here, you need to select the Accept Invite option that is highlighted in purple color, and you'll be done. Now, this will open the Discord application, and you'll be instantly added to the Steal a Brainrot Discord server. You'll see different channels and options to go for. Then select Complete from the bottom right corner of your screen, which is also highlighted in purple color. Scroll down, check this box of I've read and agree to the rules, and select Submit, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.